Experiencing sound issues with your Koorui monitor? You're not alone. Many users, especially with popular models like the 24E4 and 27E6CA, have reported audio problems. Let's start with basic hardware checks. First, ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely connected to both your computer and monitor. Next, let's check your Windows audio settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. Now go to Additional Device Properties, then the Advanced tab, and try different sample rates like 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz. Finally, access your monitor's on-screen display menu. Navigate to Audio Settings and verify the audio source matches your input connection, whether that's HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Koorui monitor audio issues. Check your connections, configure Windows audio settings properly, and ensure your monitor's audio source matches your input connection. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is updating your graphics drivers. Graphics drivers contain the audio components needed for monitor sound output. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Look for the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section and expand it. Find your NVIDIA or AMD high-definition audio device. Right-click on it and select Update Driver from the context menu. After the driver update completes, restart your computer. This ensures the new audio drivers are properly loaded and configured. For persistent audio issues that drivers can't fix, registry-based solutions may help. This involves clearing Windows audio device entries so the system can rediscover them. First, create a registry backup for safety. Then run regedit as administrator and navigate to the Devices folder in the Windows registry. Check the Koorui website regularly for monitor firmware updates. Some audio issues are resolved through firmware patches that improve audio processing and compatibility. Prevention is key to avoiding future audio problems. Regular maintenance and proper setup can prevent most audio issues from occurring. Update your graphics and audio drivers monthly. Use certified high-quality cables and avoid excessive bending that can damage the internal wires. Configure appropriate sleep settings to prevent audio handshake issues. When monitors wake from sleep, they sometimes lose audio connection with the computer. For superior audio quality and reliability, consider investing in a dedicated USB DAC. This external device bypasses monitor audio entirely and provides professional-grade sound output. These advanced solutions and prevention strategies will help you maintain reliable audio from your Koorui monitor. Regular maintenance and proper setup are your best defense against audio problems.